In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads on Google Chrome. We're going to use Chrome's built-in protection to block ads on sites that are known to show intrusive or misleading content. This won't remove every ad on the internet, but it will dramatically cut down on pop-ups, auto-redirects, loud auto-playing videos, and other interruptions that get in the way of what you're trying to do. Chrome uses industry guidelines, often referred to as the Better Ads Standards, to identify and filter the worst experiences. Start by opening Google Chrome and moving to the top right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu icon to open Chrome's main menu. From there, choose Settings, which opens in a new tab so you can keep browsing while you adjust things. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome controls what sites can do and how content is handled. Next, select Site Settings. Think of this as the dashboard for permissions and content behavior across websites. Scroll down until you find additional content settings and click it to expand the full list. In that list, look for intrusive ads. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear simply as ads. Go ahead and open that option. Under Default Behavior, select the setting that says ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. If you see a toggle or radio button, make sure it's set to block. In many cases, this is already on by default, but confirming it here ensures Chrome actively filters the most disruptive ad formats without affecting normal browsing. That's all you need to do. From now on, when you land on a site that has a track record of intrusive ads, Chrome will automatically prevent those ads from showing. You'll likely notice fewer unexpected overlays, fewer full-screen interruptions, and fewer forced redirects. Regular, non-intrusive ads may still appear, which helps support sites that follow best practices. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see the intrusive ads option, use the search box at the top of the settings page and type ads to jump right to it. Interface wording can vary slightly between Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS, but the path is the same. Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Additional Content Settings, then Intrusive Ads. If the option isn't visible, make sure your Chrome version is up to date. And if you ever want to fine-tune behavior for specific sites, you can manage exceptions on this same page without changing the global setting. You're all set. Enjoy cleaner, calmer browsing with Chrome's built-in ad blocking for intrusive ads.